my grocery haul for the first week of July. I am in the parking lot of Aldi right now, getting ready to go in, and I'm just doing shopping for 1 week today. I have my menu plan, although there was a last minute change to it. My son Ted is 17 years old, almost 17 years old, and he absolutely loves this new recipe that I've been making. It's Peruvian chicken, and he begged me before I left to make that for tonight's dinner. I had something else planned entirely, but he promised that if I made that for him, he would help me plant 2 hydrangeas and 6 daisies when I got home. So I felt like that was a pretty good deal. So I'm gonna take him up on that. We're gonna have the Peruvian chicken tonight. So I'm gonna be having to go to one other store. I don't like buying cilantro at Aldi. They have little teeny tiny packages and it's just not really what we need. So I'm gonna go to Kroger after this, and this will be all of the groceries that we're gonna need to get through just this week, Saturday to Saturday. I was at Costco, Thursday evening, and I bought a few things there. And then I was actually at an Amish produce auction yesterday, and I got a bunch of produce. I got corn, green beans, cucumbers, tomatoes, and peaches. So that will be the majority of our produce for the week. I will actually show you all of that when I get home because it's kind of interesting, and I'll show you the prices that I ended up paying on that too. So right now I'm going to go into Aldi and get the best deals that I can possibly get, trying to save money here and stay within my grocery budget for the month. And this is a fresh start, which is what I love every month. It's a fresh start, brand new grocery budget. So here we go. Okay, I just got back from Aldi and Kroger and got everything set up on the table. So let's take a look at what I got. Okay, let's start with Aldi. So I got 8 quarts of the strawberries. They were on sale this week for $1.49 a quart. That is the lowest price I've seen them all season. You know, last year or the year before last, they were like 75 cents a quart, but we won't dwell on that. So I went ahead and bought a flat of those. I got some jalapeno peppers for the sauce that goes on the Peruvian chicken tonight. And I bought 2 5-pound bags of Yukon Gold potatoes. Normally I like to get these potatoes at Costco or at Sam's because they are cheaper to buy a 10-pound bag, but I forgot to get them the other night and we are gonna need those this week. So I went ahead and spent a little bit more. I have some spring mix for our salads, red onions, green peppers. These will go in Sloppy Joe sauce and on pizza, homemade pizza this week. I got a head of iceberg lettuce for tacos, and then 2 cantaloupe. The cantaloupe this year are expensive, $2.49 each. You know, last year they were like 99 cents each. Maybe it wasn't last year, maybe it was the year before. I can't even remember anymore, but anyway, they're more expensive now. Celery, and then, so that's the end of the produce. I got 3 packs of these tortillas. We eat a lot of fajitas for lunches, and then we do breakfast tacos sometimes too. I got bigger flour tortillas for the bigger kids who appreciate a bigger taco. 2 bags of chips. Those will go with Sloppy Joe night. And then I bought 2 bags of chocolate chips. I could have sworn that I bought a big bag at Costco, but nobody can find them anywhere. So I went ahead and bought some more so that we have cookies this week. And then 2 boxes of sparkling waters, the Aldi brand. It's so much more affordable than the name brands. I love buying Aldi's sliced cheese. It's a really good price. These are only $1.49 a pack, so I buy these for sandwiches. And then this is our church yogurt. So we used to eat cereal on Sunday mornings to keep it really simple, but the kids would always get really hungry really fast and hyper from the cereal. And so I started buying Greek yogurt, and I'll be making some brioche buns today to go along with that. So they'll have a toasted bun and some Greek yogurt for some protein. So that's a much better breakfast for Sunday mornings than what we were doing before. If you'd like to see how to make my brioche buns, I just filmed a video on that, so I will link that and you can check that out. I got 2 pounds of butter. This will be for baking. And then one of these Irish butters. This is for toast and like corn on the cob and things like that. And then I have this mozzarella cheese. This is pre-sliced and we use this for pizzas, pizza night. And then also the goat cheese will be for pizza night as well. And then the sour cream is gonna be for my sauce for my chicken tonight. So I had to buy a lot of meat today, which normally I don't have to do because we had a pig butchered, and my sons, I think they shot 3 deer last year and had, so we had a lot of meat in the freezer, but that is all gone now. So I'm back to buying meat again. And this is a lot. So I'm looking forward to hunting season again. So I have 1 pack of 80/20. This is a little over 2 pounds. And then 3 packs of 85/15. This will be for burgers and sloppy joes this week. And then I bought all of these chicken thighs. Both of these are boneless, skinless chicken thighs for the Peruvian chicken. Normally I would just buy 4 of these packs, but this is Ted's favorite thing in the whole world right now. And so I want to make sure that he gets as much as he wants. So I bought some extra, and then maybe it's possible we'll have some leftovers. I bought 2 packs of these boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Each pack will be 1 dinner. And then I bought 3 packs of Italian sausage. So one of these is going to be for pizza night, and then the other 2 will be for pasta with marinara sauce. So that's the end of Aldi. Let's come over here to Kroger. It's a much shorter pile, or a much smaller pile. So this is the kind of milk that I buy. It's from a Virginia dairy, and it's fresh. It's A2 milk. It's pretty healthy, about as healthy as you can get unless you want to go raw. This is getting expensive though. The price went up, I think, $1 per half gallon. It's now at about $4.39 per half gallon, plus you have to pay a $3 bottle deposit. You get the deposit back when you bring your jars back, but it is definitely starting to add up. So I'll be using 2 of these to make Greek yogurt this week, and then the rest of that will be for drinking. And then I have 8 bunches of cilantro in here. The cilantro looked really, really nice at Kroger, and it was on sale. It was 2 for $1. So I got a bunch of that, and all of this is going to be used for the Peruvian chicken and for the sauce tonight. So we have actually turned into pasta snobs at the Buffa house. I just buy the DiCecco now. It's so much better, and we're willing to pay the price. So these at Kroger are $2.99 per pound. So I got 2 of those for pasta night. This was another deal that I found. The normal price for this at Kroger is $2.99 per pouch, but it was on sale for $2.49. But if you bought 5 or more pouches, you got $1 off each pouch. So each of these were only $1.49. So this is mostly for me. I don't think anybody else will eat that. This is the pepperoni that I bought for pizza night tonight. And then this is some cottage cheese, some organic cottage cheese. So this is everything for the week, plus the things that we will be eating at Costco. And I will actually show you also my Amish produce auction stuff that I got. Hold on just a second. Okay, so at the Amish auction, we've already eaten some of these. So this is my half bushel of green beans. We will probably get about 1 more meal out of this before it's gone. And then I have this box of peaches. We need to go ahead and get these eaten because there are some spots that got a little bit bruised and everything, but I think we can probably get through these in about 2 days without too much of a problem. And then let me show you the tomatoes. This flat of tomatoes was full. So this, they called these canners because some of them are smaller. And you know, it's really a mix of sizes, but I got a really good price for this time of the year on these tomatoes. As the summer goes on, the prices for tomatoes will definitely go down, but for early July, I felt like the price was good. And then let me show you the corn. So here's my big bag of corn. We've already eaten about a dozen ears. So they put 6 dozen ears in the bag, and then you pay by the dozen. It's honestly, it wasn't a great price, but it was very, very fresh. So that's why I went ahead and got this. And we will eat, this will probably take us about 4 different meals to get through all of it, but all the kids really enjoy it. So I feel like I can go ahead and pay the price. Let's go over the Aldi receipt first. So my grand total at Aldi was $205.81. And I also I forgot to tell you this, I had to buy a cooler bag since I had to go into Kroger and I didn't have a cooler with me. So that was another $7. So $205.81 at Aldi. And then at Kroger, it was $92.03. Now remember, when I take my milk bottles back, I will be getting $24 back. out of that. So, you know, the actual number is a little bit lower than 92.03. And then at the auction, so my half bushel of green beans was $12. That was the price that I won there. That was from actually a previous week. The salted butter, I didn't get that this week. Hold on. I'm trying to do this one-handed here. Okay, the peaches were $18, and that was for a bushel. I got 6-inch pots of Shasta daisies, and I paid $1.25 for each one of those, which was a phenomenal price. So $7.50 for that. Then I actually bought 2 hydrangeas also at $14 each, which was a really good price. And I actually went with a friend, and we purchased the corn and the tomatoes together because you had to purchase at least 2 bags or 2 flats of each one. So we did those together. So I don't actually remember how much we paid for those, but all in all, from just the receipts that I have here, the grand total for the whole week was. So thank you for joining me today as I went shopping, and let me know if you have any great deals in your area. I would love for you to like the video and leave me a comment. Let me know what is the cheapest price you have found on strawberries, because I'm really curious how much you're paying for those in your area. I'll see you next time. Bye.